Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. This is just actually a first look rather than a flat-out review, but I just got this high Godo, essentially mobile suit type Lego adjacent type build, Lego type bricks. It's definitely not Lego brand. Here's a look at the box there. I bought two different ones. It's going to be one of these four. It's either going to be this guy or this guy, but it doesn't really seem to say exactly which one's on there as far as I can tell. So we're going to find out together here in just a second. Let's see here. This will be the second type of mobile suit, Lego type mobile suit that I've purchased. The other one was the one by a company called Nephiles, which was a pretty awesome build. But the one complaint of them was they didn't have the bags numbered, so you were just kind of on your own to sort everything out and get everything together, of course. These, right off the bat, it looks like they're numbered. You know, this is bag 10 right there. Let's dump it out here and see what we got. One thing nice about the Nephiles, though, they had a very nice instruction booklet. We'll see how these guys compare. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Seems like it's a pretty thick paper. I guess this is going to be the green one, based on the color in the front there. The picture, of course. Yeah, so it lists the bags all the way up to 11, it looks like. And the color of the bricks on the instructions are great. I'm not really going to confuse any of that, it doesn't look like. Very clear. Looks like we got some stickers there too. Not a huge fan of stickering, but I guess we're going to find a way to enjoy it. Looks like as you add parts, the parts that were from the step before are kind of a little grayed out. I don't know what you want to call it there, but they definitely have a different look to them, so you know what's the new part being added, which is very nice. I think this picture looks really good. Yeah, so the instructions look pretty clear. I'll certainly let you know in a full review once I get it built. The last one I did, the Nephiles, I actually did a full build on camera. I think it's got like 5 or 6 views, and it took me probably 20 hours to get the video together. So I'm not sure I'm going to do that again unless I get a lot more views or likes or something there to really encourage me to spend that kind of time again. But yeah, this looks like a pretty awesome build. Let's see here. See what it looks like towards the back. Got definitely some posed pictures there that you can probably try out. Hopefully it'll hold together well enough to do so. One thing was nice on the Nephiles build was they really kind of gave you a description of the mobile suit, including its armor and guns and stuff like that, where this just doesn't look like it really includes any of that. Which I don't know how disappointing it is, but maybe it's a little disappointing. But not dramatic from as far as I'm concerned. I think it was nice, you know, with the imagination of the other build to include that information. So the lack of that is, like I said, only made mildly disappointing. But yeah, it looks like an awesome build. Again, I'll let you know how it goes once we get it all put together. I'll bring it back on camera and compare it probably to Nephiles, just because it's the good thing compared to. And like I said, this is I bought two of these. The other one is a red one. I'll do an unboxing, separate unboxing for it when I get finished with this one. And thanks again for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of August, and I've only got like 8 or so far, so I still got a ways to go. Please consider becoming a patron, supporting me on Patreon. The link will be in the description, as well as a link to where you can purchase this on Amazon if you'd like to purchase it as well.